Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the pen where the letter will flow naturally. Hold the pen at a 45 degrees angle and anchor your wrist so motion comes from the forearm, not tension in fingers. Once set, form a small clockwise loop about 0.5 to 1 cm wide as your entry stroke. Make sure the tripod grip is loose, tight fingers freeze movement. This establishes the curve and control you need to connect the cursive F to prior and following letters. Next, you form the tall stem that characterizes the cursive F. Draw a confident upward stroke to the X height with a slight rightward slant. This creates space for the cross loop. Once done, bring the stroke down in a gentle countercurve to the baseline, maintaining consistent pressure, lighter on the upstroke and heavier on the downstroke to get contrast. Make sure to loop through the midline if your style requires it, and prepare the final exit stroke so the next letter connects smoothly. Finish by sweeping a rightward exit tail that naturally links to the next letter. Keep it low and flowing so it doesn't collide with ascenders. If letters feel crowded, reduce the loop size or raise the stems slightly to create breathing room. When strokes snag or ink blobs form, stop and consciously relax your grip, then reduce downward pressure. This corrects heavy downstrokes and restores fluid connection. If you still struggle, slow the motion. Practice the 3 strokes separately, then combine them into.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.